Got a nice Friday off work, and today I'll be showing you how to change the brakes on a 1985 125. So you're gonna start over here with these two nuts. So here's your brake housing right here. It's just 6 10mm bolts. Once you get those bolts off, this cover should slide right off. Then you're left with the drum. So this should just slide right off. But first you gotta take off this little rubber seal. Just pop it out with a little, a little pick tool works best. If you don't take this little seal off, it'll be a bitch to get that out. So now this should just slide right out. You wanna make sure your brakes aren't engaged. And I mean, it can get seized up. So if it ain't just sliding out real easy, you can take a 2x4, slide it on the end of here, and beat it until it slides out this way. Drum slides off. There are your brakes. You should just be able to apply a little bit of force at the top, a little bit of force at the bottom. Stretch those over. Now it's pretty much the same thing. It's just easiest to get one side started on there. Go for the bottom. And then get the top started as well. Now, if I hit the pedal, brakes engage.